So again, yet another study with me, doing with me. नमस्ते भाई मेरे बॉल ठीक है। तो आज एज यू सी गाइज इन द टाइटल कि हम पढ़ने वाले हैं, क्या ही करते हैं, इसके अलावा कुछ और चीज़ तो करते नहीं है। बट येस गाइज, यू कैन स्टडी विथ मी, जस्ट पुट योर वॉल्यूम डाउन एंड स्टार्ट स्टडिंग राइट नाउ, ठीक है। सो टुडे वी आर स्टडिंग नेचुरल वेजिटेशन। तो नेचुरल वेजिटेशन पहले बात होता क्या है, नेचुरल वेजिटेशन क्या होता है पढ़ लेते हैं यार, मुझे खुद नहीं पता वेस्टर्न वेजिटेशन क्या होता है। या दिस मच आई नो दैट नेचुरल वेजिटेशन मतलब जो नेचुरली ग्रो हो रहा है, जिसे मैंने उगाया ना हूँ, मैंने इसमें पानी या फिर कोई कुछ भी ऐसे डाल वाल के उगाया ना हो, वही होगा वो नेचुरल वेजिटेशन यार। जैसे पहाड़ों पे जो पेड़ वगैरह उगते हैं, है ना, तो वो दिस इज ऑल आई नो। नो गाइस, देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स विच आर येट टू बी नोन। तो लेट्स गेट बैक स्टार्टिंग नाउ। सो या, natural vegetation are gifts of nature. They grow naturally. They flow the climate variations due to variety of climate. A wide range of natural vegetation grows in India. Types of climate vegetation vary according to climate, soil and altitude. Among the most valuable resources of India, its magnificent forests play a very important role in its climate as well as economic development. Forests are renewable resources and help in maintaining ecological balance, reduce pollution, maintain humidity, purify the air, and are a source of timber, fruits, flowers, and fuel. The forests prevent soil erosion and provide habitat to a variety of wild animals, birds, and insects. As such, only 21.02 of the total geographic area or land is under the forest area. We fall short. We fall short of the minimum due to the reckless deforestation that has been going on for decades. तो देखो पहली बात, हाँ, तो नेचुरल वेजिटेशन जो ये रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स है विच इज जस्ट ग्रो नेचुरली। भाई हमारे कोई ह्यूमन इंड्यूस फोर्सेस से नहीं हुआ है, वो नेचुरली ग्रो है यार। दैट्स सो गुड नाइस। यहाँ पे देखो ये सब नेचुरल है, देखो कितना अच्छा पिक्चर दे दिस फ्लावर मैं आज देख रही हूँ वैसे, और ऐसा दिख भी रहा है तो आज ही दिख रहा है मुझे, क्योंकि मैं बुक तो मैंने आज ही खोला है। बट हाँ, सो एज सच ओनली वहाँ पे हमारे टोटल जियोग्राफिकल एरिया में ना देर आर 21.02% ऑफ द जियोग्राफिक एरिया एंड लैंड इज अंडर द फॉरेस्ट, ठीक है। मतलब देखो 100 में से सिर्फ 20% हमारा लैंड है, बाकी सारे हमने बड़े बड़े इमारतें बना दिए हैं। such a shame on us because as you see the population of India, you know, not only you, in fact population of India तो एकदम मैं छोड़ो, बट एज भी सी कि बहुत इतने ज़्यादा लोग हैं ना, इनके सबके लिए ऑक्सीजन चाहिए, और ऑक्सीजन का एकमात्र सोर्स है हमारा पेड़ पौधे में काट रहे, तो इट्स वेरी बिग डिसएडवांटेज फॉर अस ह्यूमन बींग्स। तो हम करते नहीं है ह्यूमन बींग्स वाले काम, हम ऐसे काम करते हैं कि छोड़ो यार, क्या ही क्या है। The destruction of forests has led to the examination of wildlife in our country. The natural vegetation of India depends mainly on rain and relief. तो जो natural vegetation है जो वो mainly किसके ऊपर ये करता है, depend करता है, वो है rain और relief के ऊपर. The type of vegetation corresponds to the amount of rainfall received. There are two factors on which the type of natural vegetation and its distribution depend on: variation in the amount of rainfall, variation in the relief. Main types of vegetation, तो मेन टाइप्स ऑफ नेचुरल वेजिटेशन में आता है ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट, डेस्टिएट मानसून फॉरेस्ट, डेजर्ट और सेमी डेजर्ट फॉरेस्ट, थॉर्न एंड स्क्रब फॉरेस्ट। फॉरेस्ट बेसिस ऑन वेरिएशंस ऑफ रिलीफ, माउंटेन फॉरेस्ट और मिक्स्ड फॉरेस्ट, मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट, टिडल और लिटिल फॉरेस्ट, ये भी हम कह सकते हैं। सो नाउ लेट अस बिगिन विद फॉरेस्ट में से हम पढ़ेंगे एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट, ठीक है। ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट आर द नेम as the name indicates are found where the annual temperature is 25 to 27 degrees Celsius. They occur where rainfall is more than 200 centimeters. 200 centimeters से ज़्यादा रेन वहाँ पे ऑकर करते हैं। Parts of the western Ghats, parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, the eastern Himalayas मतलब वहाँ पे समझ आ रहा है ना, ईस्ट नॉर्थ ईस्ट Himalayas, Terai region and northeast India, Lusai Khasi, Jayantia, Garo, known as Assam Hills, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Generally, they are found on the altitude ranging from 500 meter to 150 meter on the windward or the western side of Western Ghats. Characteristics: as they are found in the areas of heavy rainfall, they are also known as rainforest. The thick ground cover of forest is characterized by climbers and epiphytes. Bamboo and ferns are also common. Climbers and epiphytes, bamboo and ferns are also common, as they do not shed their leaves at the same time. They remain evergreen. And are called as tropical evergreen forest. Evergreen forests have not been popularly exploited due to dense undergrowth and natural lack of transport facilities. So species मतलब कौन सी species grow होते हैं भाई natural vegetation में? वहाँ पे रोजवुड होता है, सिसम होता है, गुर्जन होता है. रोजवुड में they are hard, fine grained and durable. They are used for making expensive furniture. They are found in parts of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, western side of Western Ghats. Sisam, it is a hard wood. It is used for making expensive furniture. By the way, the furniture जहाँ मैं बैठी हूँ, ये वाला जो सोफा है, मैं दिखाऊँ क्या ऐसे करके. This you see this, do you see this one wood? This is made up of sisam. ठीक है. हाँ, तो it is used for making expensive furnitures. Now let's come to गुर्जन. रोजवुड हमारा जो नहीं, हमारे पूरे घर में जो भी ऐसे जो लगा रखा है ना हमने, वो सब शीशम के हैं. दिस वन आई एम नॉट श्योर ये शीशम का है कैन ये, आई थिंक प्रॉबली बिकॉज इनका इसका कलर सेम है. बट ये हमारा ये वाला और हमारा बेड जो बना है वो भी शीशम का है. दिस वाज ऑरेंज, इसका मुझे पता नहीं. ये वाला और वो वाला का ऐसा हमने बनाया है लकड़ी से. दिस आई एम नॉट श्योर, इसे मुझे पता भी नहीं चलेगा क्या है कौन सा है, बट माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैव टोल्ड मी. ओके, now let's study about gurjan. It is used for house building, railway sleepers and furniture. It is found in West Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar and Himalayan regions. Other species are toon, bamboo, jamun and cans, etc. So climate. Now let's come to deciduous forest, our tropical deciduous forest. ठीक है. Deciduous forests are found in the areas of an average temperature of about 24 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. These are the forests occur in the areas of average rainfall 150 to 200 centimeters. Areas deciduous forests are found in the belt of running along with the western Ghats on eastern slopes. Second belt of deciduous forests run across along the Shivlikas range and the Chotanagpur plateau. These forests are found in the following states: Bihar, UP, Odisha, MP, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, Assam and parts of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Characteristics: these forests share their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks during the spring and early summer. During March April, when sufficient moisture for leaves is not available, the subsoil is enough for the trees to retain their leaves. By April, May, the deciduous forests look almost bare. Forests of the north temperate zone shed their leaves in autumn. These are most important economical as they yield valuable timber and several other forest products. These occupy much larger area than the evergreen forests. Deciduous monsoon forests have trees found in pure stands. Species, the main species of the deciduous forest are like sal, teak, mahu, कीर, पलास, मैंगो, टीम, सिमूल, मायरोबाला. पता नहीं, एक मैंने कभी देखा नहीं है, बस रट लो यार, मैं तो कहती हूँ बिकॉज मैं वही करने वाली हूँ. टीक, साल, प्लीज़ डोंट टेक माई एडवाइस. मैं नहीं, वही ज्योग्राफी में टॉपर है, किसी भी मैं पढ़ाई में वीक हूँ भाई, मैं क्या एडवाइस देती हूँ यार. Guys, whatever I say, please ignore my study tips. Never take my study tips because I am मंदबुद्धि. मैं कुछ भी कह देती हूँ. प्लीज़, अब मुझे नहीं पता पढ़ना ठीक है कि नहीं है, बट मैं तो इतने सारे नहीं पढ़ूंगी. बट आई जस्ट एम नॉट श्योर, शायद मुझे पढ़ना चाहिए इतने सारा. मैं आई एम नॉट समवन हु गिव स्टडी टिप्स बिकॉज माई ओन कैलिबर इज इन माई घुटनों में, तो मैं क्या ही ये दूँ. So let's study with teak. Teak is universally used for making furniture, construction of houses, doors, windows, etc. and shipbuilding. Seasoned teak wood can resist white ants. Teak wood does not erode or rust iron nails. Teak wood is found in the forest of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Odisha, Bihar and Tamil Nadu. Sal is a very hard and resistant to white ants. It occurs in large pure stands. It is used for making railways, sleepers and house buildings. It is found in the forest of north central and northeast India. It occurs in the state of Bihar, UP, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Tripura and Assam. Sandalwood is very useful economically. It provides sandalwood for handicrafts and carving. Sandalwood oil is used in perfumery and cosmetics. It is mainly found in Karnataka. Simultis is very soft and white. It is used for making matchboxes, toys, and packing causes myrobalam. Its fruit is used for tanning leather and for dyeing purposes. It is found in Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. Palas, Mahu, Tedu. Ecopalas is another important tree for the Karnataka forest. It is known as its lofty status. Its wood is raw material for paper industry. Oil is used for making medicine purpose also. It is eucalyptus. Desert and semi-desert. So climate, so desert and semi-desert vegetation is found in the areas of an average temperature 25 to 27 degrees Celsius and with an average rainfall of less than 25 centimeter. Desert and semi-desert type of vegetation is found in kuch Surashta, West, Southwest Punjab, Rajasthan, and dry parts of Deccan. Characteristics: the plants that grow in this type of vegetation are called as xerophytes. They either have very thin leaves or no leaves. Their stems or leaves are often covered by sharp spines. They have long roots to draw water as the rainfall is very scarce, and thick fleshy stems to store water during droughts. Species: this type of vegetation mainly consists of babul, acacia, abacia, date palm, kahir, and myrrh. Babul, uh, Acacia arabica is the most important tree of this region. Khair tree yields strong stuff and hardwood used as fuel. Khair tree also yields gum, and the bark provides material for tanning yields and skin. Other species found here are cacti, which are of little use if big and okay. Next, the scrub or thorn. These are the forests in the areas of an average temperature of 25 to 26, sorry, 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Okay. Rainfall and less than 100 centimeter यहाँ पे, ठीक है. And these are the type of trees are found in northwest part of the country, Rajasthan, western Haryana, Kutch, and western Punjab. The vegetation found here is low scrubbed and sustained tribal shrubs with long roots and thorns. Species that is not long tapering roots, thorny branches, and small fleshy leaves. Khair, it is useful. Khair, now not khair. I'm not saying Hindi wala khair. रहने दो. Khair is a useful timber. It provides material for making dyes, for tanning. It is used. Wild dates are also common. Hmm. Mountain forest, mixed forest based on relief. Climate: these forests are found in the areas of an average temperature less than 20 degrees Celsius or cool areas at an altitude of 1500 meters to 3300 meters. ठीक है. They occur in the areas getting rainfall between 150 to 250. In the north, they occur at the average temperature zone and in the temperate zone of the Himalayas from Kashmir to Assam at varying altitude. In the south, they are found in Nilgiri and Anumila hills at an elevation of 1000 to 1500. Characteristics: mountain forests consist of mixed deciduous and coniferous forests. They occur in the transition zone of the mixed forest and coniferous forest. Spruce and cedar is in the north, and eucalyptus are found in the Nilgiri. They form high but fairly open forests with shrubby undergrowth including oaks, laurel, bamboo, polar birch, walnuts, elm, सिंचो, चिरपेन, सिल्वर फिर दियोदार. ठीक है, ये है कुछ. ये है, दिस इज ऑल्सो टिपिकल कॉर्निफरस टर्ट्स. ये थोड़ा ऑयली है, ड्यूरेबल है, सेंटेड है, रेलवेज में मिलता है, हिमाचल में मिलता है दियोदार. ठीक है, ये जो सिल्वर फिर है ये नॉर्थ वेस्ट में मिलता है इस साइड, और ईस्टर्न हिमालय में भी थोड़ा बहुत मिल जाता है. ये चिरपेन है, ये पंजाब में कश्मीर में मिलता है. इट इज़ एक्सटेंशन ऑफ रेजिन और टर्पनटाइन में निकालने में इसको यूज़ करा जाता है. Tidal or mangrove or littoral forest or littoral meaning on onshore. The tidal occur in the around the deltas with an average temperature of 26 to 29 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड वेरी हैवी रेनफॉल. तो रेनफॉल जो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Location: the tidal forest occur in and around the delta regions, estuaries and creeks, and are prone to little influence found in areas flooded by tides. These type of trees can survive in flash and brackish water. Tidal forests occupy a large area, about 21,000 kilometers, in the Sundarban Delta and along the eastern coast, Mahanadi Delta, Godavari, Krishna, Andaman Islands. They are also found in the western region. Characteristics: mangrove vegetation is characterized by breathing roots or photometers which act as respiratory organs. It still looks like root submerged underwater but can be seen at low tide. This tangential mass of root helps the plant to survive in the shifting mud of coastal region. These forests are very dense. Sundari is very important in this area. Sundarban Delta has been named after it. Its wood is very hard, strong and variable. It is used for making wood. Some important species are Gurjar and Hindal, which provide fuel for household. Other include Kiora, Agra, and Rizana. These trees are used as the relationship between tree leaf, climate, particularly in rain, determining natural vegetation modification by man, distribution of natural vegetation is closely related to relief and rainfall. Dense evergreen forests are found in the areas very high rainfall and thorny desert vegetation in the areas of very scanty rainfall. If we see relief, rainfall, and vegetation maps together, the relation between the three is striking. Since they are interrelated, it is evident that the cutting down or depletion of forest will have direct impact on the environment of the country. Natural vegetation and its products play a very important role in nation's economy. The term natural resources means the collective wealth of the country. Forests are one of the most important natural resources of the country. Unfortunately, although it is said that the land under forest in our country is 21%, the effective forest cover as relieved by all kinds of surveys hardly between 12 to 14%. This is a consequence of indiscriminate cutting down of trees due to zooming or slash and burn practices to clear forest for cultivation and construction purposes. There is also control at the times of unauthorized cutting down of trees by unscrupulous timber merchants for the purpose of trade. The depletion of forest cover in is a term as deforestation. It has brought about complete deterioration of flora and fauna, by which our country has been so proud of for centuries. It has also affected our country's physical and climate conditions and drastically deteriorated the general environment of rural as well as urban areas. To revitalize our forest cover, systematic preventive measures should be taken. These measures will help in maintaining the most essential ecological balance required to protect our forest resources, environment, and enlarged wildlife. Government of India set up a central board of forestry after independence. Under the 5-year plan, many policies were enveloped to be implanted for conservation of forest. One Mahotsav program, the most important of the policies is One Mahotsav program, which started in 1915. Under this program, all government organizations are supposed to plant trees in the months of July and August. It is celebrated as on 5th June. Another scheme which has been adopted in is afforestation. Under this scheme of program has been proposed plant trees in Rajasthan, West Uttar Pradesh and Kutch desert to prevent soil erosion. Although slash and burn or zooming practice has been banned in northeast India, indiscriminate cutting of trees without bothering about the duplication of forest cover is still very common. This has resulted in severe problems connected to soil erosion. To resolve this problem, Government of India has started a program under which 2 saplings are planted for every felled tree. This is known as reforestation. भाई कितनी मस्त धूप आ रही है, प्लस मैंने लाइट भी ऑन रखा है. And I literally it's not even 20 minutes पर मैं इतनी जल्दी burn out हो चुकी हूँ यार. Like it's not even 3, अभी 3 बजने वाले हैं by the way as you see. But yeah, we can do it. Let's do it guys, we can do it. ठीक है. The classic NGO approaches to save the trees in the Babukanas Chipko movement of 1974 by the women of Reni in the northern India, where they accused the tree at the cost of their own life. This is a living example of general public awareness which has become a widespread movement in our country and is commendable process to save trees. Yeah, ये मैंने क्लास में देखा था, चिपको मूवमेंट. ठीक है. कंजर्वेशन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, भाई चलो पढ़ लेते यार अब. द नेशनल फॉरेस्ट नहीं है शायद. मैं सब कुछ पढ़ लेती हूँ यार पागल की तरह से, कुछ नहीं पढ़ना होता. गाइस आई एम डन विद रीडिंग ऑफ द, मतलब हाँ आई एम डन विद रीडिंग ऑफ दी चैप्टर। 20 मिनट में लिटरली 20 मिनट पढ़ लिया मैं, क्या 1 घंटा लगाऊँ थंबनेल में। इट्स नॉट 1 घंटा गाइस, आई एम सो सॉरी। मतलब 20 मिनट में बस ऐसा बनाना होता है ना कि मुझे 1 घंटा, मुझे बस एक चैप्टर पढ़ना होता है, मैं वही कर रही हूँ। अगर मैंने थंबनेल में तो नहीं रखा लगा रखूँगी यार, थंबनेल में मैंने नहीं लिखा होगा, आई एम श्योर। भाई आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर दिस वन, सॉरी यार, बट इट्स ओके। तो बात ऐसी है कि हाँ मैं थंबनेल में लगा, मैं थंबनेल में लगा दूंगी बिकॉज मेरे पास कोई और थंबनेल है नहीं, बट टाइटल में मैं लिख दूंगी यार कि सिर्फ 20 मिनट का है, बट इट्स ओके गाइस। सो लेट्स गेट बैक टू द पॉइंट। मुझे बताना था कुछ, एक्चुअली मुझे कुछ हेल्प चाहिए थी। आई डोंट नो यू गाइस, एनी कोई ऐसा कोई होगा जिसको पूरा देखा होगा, बट आई कैन टेल इट। सो दैट इज़ कि यार पता नहीं कैसे मुझे कोई अगर प्लीज़ अगर इफ देयर आर एनी टिप्स रिगार्डिंग कि मैं कैसे पढ़ सकती हूँ, जियो में कैसे पढ़ सकती हूँ। कुछ जियो के लिए मेरे पास नोट्स मैंने नहीं बनाए हैं, तो मेरे पास हिस्ट्री के लिए मैंने नोट्स बनाया थोड़े बहुत, बट जियो मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है। सो गाइस प्लीज़ इफ़ देयर इज़ एनीथिंग पॉसिबल प्लीज़ हेल्प मी लिटिल। अगर कुछ है तो बता देना, मतलब ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं तो बता देना। एंड या गाइस दैट इज़ इट फॉर दिस वन। इफ़ यू हैव वॉच्ड इट हियर देन कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन भाई, पढ़ लिया आपने 20 मिनट, बहुत है मेरे लिए 20 मिनट पढ़ना। मतलब इट्स नॉट दैट मैं 20 मिनट पढ़ती हूँ, मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, ठीक है, मैं लिटरली मैं सुबह से पढ़ रही हूँ, तो मैं बर्न आउट हो चुकी हूँ ना पढ़ के, तो आई नीड वन नैप एटलीस्ट, और कुछ तो चाहिए। बट दो मेरा एक चैलेंज भी चल रहा है, 6 आवर्स स्टार्टिंग कर ले कंटिन्यूस, तो मैं वो बना रही हूँ कुछ, तो नो ब्रेक्स। सो समझ लो ना आप। तो इसके लिए हम वापस से मैं वापस पढ़ना शुरू करूँगी, नोट्स मार करके पढ़ना स्टार्ट करते हैं, मतलब नोट्स मार करके क्या कह रही हूँ मैं यार, बस पढ़ना स्टार्ट करना है। दैट इज़ इट गाइस, सो सी द नेक्स्ट वन, बाय।